Let me ask you a quick question. What's something that everyone does, but nobody really enjoys? Waiting. Waiting in line, waiting for a bus, waiting for your coffee. And yes, waiting for your appointment. Maybe it's a doctor's appointment. Maybe it's a haircut. Or maybe it's that scary visit to the dentist. But here's the good news. Today, we'll learn how to make, change, and talk about appointments in English easily and confidently. So grab your phone, open your calendar, and let's book an appointment together in English. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, the podcast where learning English is easy, practical, and full of real-life stories. In this episode, we'll practice simple phrases and words you can use when making or talking about appointments. These are the same words native speakers use every day at the clinic, the salon, or the office. By the end of this episode, you'll be ready to say, "I'd like to make an appointment, please," and sound natural doing it. So let's start our story, A Busy Day with Appointments. It's Monday morning. I'm drinking my coffee and looking at my phone. Oh no, I forgot to make a doctor's appointment. I call the clinic. The receptionist answers, "Good morning, City Health Clinic. How can I help you?" I say, "Good morning. I'd like to make an appointment with the doctor, please." She asks, "Sure. What day would you like?" I think for a second and say, "How about Wednesday morning?" She checks the computer. "Wednesday morning is full. Would you like Thursday?" "Yes, Thursday morning is fine." "Great. 10 a.m. with Dr. Kim. See you then." "Thank you very much." And just like that, my appointment is set. It's Thursday now. I arrive at the clinic 10 minutes early. There are people waiting, reading magazines, checking their phones. I walk to the front desk and say, "Hello, I have an appointment with Dr. Kim at 10 a.m. The receptionist smiles. "Yes, please take a seat. The doctor will see you soon." So I sit down and wait. While waiting, I practice English in my head. I'm waiting for my appointment. The doctor will see me soon. After a few minutes, a nurse calls my name. "Mr. Sam, please come in." Inside, the doctor greets me. "Good morning. How are you today?" "I'm good, thank you." The doctor checks my temperature, asks a few questions, and gives some advice. After the visit, I go back to the receptionist and say, "Do I need to make another appointment?" She says, "Yes, please come back next week at the same time." Easy, polite, and done. After the clinic, I realize something. My hair is a mess. So I decide to make another appointment, this time at the hair salon. I call the salon and say, "Hi, can I make an appointment for a haircut, please?" The stylist says, "Of course. What time would you like?" "Tomorrow at 3 p.m., if possible." "Sure. See you tomorrow." The next day, I arrive at 2:55 p.m. I say, "Hello, I have an appointment at 3 p.m." The stylist smiles. Perfect. You're right on time. Please have a seat. While cutting my hair, we chat a little. She says, "So, how's your day?" I reply, "Busy. Too many appointments this week." She laughs and says, "Well, at least you'll look good for your next one." Now let's look at some simple and useful English phrases from today's story. I'd like to make an appointment. You can use this for doctors, dentists, hair salons, or offices. Example: I'd like to make an appointment for tomorrow. What day would you like? A polite way to ask about the date. What day would you like to come in? Please take a seat. A polite way to ask someone to sit and wait. The doctor will see you soon. This means your turn is coming. Can I change my appointment? Use this when you need a new date or time. Can I change my appointment to next Monday? These are real, everyday phrases that people use. Short, natural, and polite. Now it's your turn to practice. Try to say or write 2 or 3 sentences about an appointment in English. Here are some examples. I have an appointment with the dentist at 9 a.m. I'd like to make an appointment for a haircut. Can I change my appointment to the afternoon? Or write a small paragraph like this. This week, I have 2 appointments. I go to the doctor on Monday morning. I have a haircut on Thursday. I always arrive early because I don't like to wait. Simple, right? Try it out loud. So, what did we learn today? We learned how to make, confirm, and change appointments in English, all with simple and polite phrases. Remember, appointments are part of daily life. Doctors, dentists, salons, offices, they all use the same simple English patterns. And one more tip: always be polite and on time. A smile and a thank you can make any appointment a little nicer. So, tell me, when is your next appointment? And how will you say it in English? Thank you for listening to Daily English Listening Stories. If you enjoyed today's episode, please like, share, and subscribe for more fun and practical English stories. Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and never be late for your appointment.